Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the TONOR Selfie ring light. You can get this product on Amazon for about $40. Check out the link in the description. The ring light is USB powered and can be powered by a computer, a power bank or a wall charger. The ring light comes with an adjustable metal tripod, a phone holder mount, a remote shutter and a user manual. Setting up the ring light only takes about a minute. Adjusting the height is very easy. The phone holder mount is compatible with most smartphones. The ring light has 3 different color modes and 10 brightness levels. With the control buttons on the USB cable, you can switch the color modes and adjust the brightness. I tested the ring light for about a week and I think it's a very nice product. It's easy to use and it works as expected. So if you are looking for a 12-inch ring light for your videos, live streams or selfies, I would recommend the TONOR Selfie ring light. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.